Hello again. Today we're going to learn how to solve systems of nonlinear equations. And it's super easy. So don't you worry, just have your calculator in hand and let's do this. So we have these two systems of nonlinear equations. What we want to do first is we want to get the y by itself. So let's see. On the first one, x squared plus y cubed equals to 3. Well, in order to get the y by itself, we're going to take that x squared to the right. So it's going to look like this. Y cubed equals to 3 minus... oh, sorry. It's cold. 3 minus x squared. And then our our cube is going to go to the right and it's going to turn into a cube root, right? So y is going to be y is going to be the cube root of 3 minus x squared. Cube root of 3 minus x squared. Then our second equation, x cubed y equals to 9. Well, that was easy, right? Just gonna take our x cubed to the right, and since it's multiplying the y, it's gonna divide the 9. So y is going to be equal to 9 over x cubed. And there we go, our two equations. And now we're going to take our graphing calculator. Okay, take our graphing calculator. We're going to graph them. So we have our first y, which is the cube root. Let's see. Cube root of 3 minus x squared. There you go. And our y2, which is the 9 over x cubed. 9 over x cubed. There you go. And we graph it. Okay, so we get that line, our first line. Then we get our second line. It's right there. Okay, so we want to look at the intersection. Okay, and that intersection is right here. We gonna move our thing here, and we get our intersection of the lines. So it's kind of like over here. So I can't get it like super right. It's not gonna be super accurate, but you can figure that you'll get some options that'll be like really close to these numbers, -2 something and -1 something. So the -2 is going to be your x and the -1 is going to be your y. And that's the way you solve this system of equations. Let's do the other one in order to get this easier for you. Now we want to do the same thing. We want to get the y by itself. So we take the x to the fourth to the right and we'll get y to the fourth equals to 16 minus x to the fourth. So y is going to be equal to the fourth root of 16 minus x to the fourth. And that's it. For the second equation, well, we'll get that y squared is equal to 3 over x. Since x is multiplying y squared, it's going to be dividing the 3 when it goes to the right. So y squared is going to be equal to 3 over x. And then our y is going to be equal to plus minus square root of 3 over x. And now we graph them. Let's graph this. Plug it into our y's. Let's see. Come on. Yes. So, I'm gonna go to math. I am going to math 5 right here, and it's 4. 16 minus x to the fourth. We got it. And now our second y is going to be the square root, the plus minus square root of 3 over x. What? Oh my god, I'm sorry. I am not in my best game today. But yeah. Wait. Oh no. 3 over x. There you go. Oh yeah, baby. So graph it. You get that. You have some interceptions over here. A lot of interceptions. I have 2 interceptions, and you should have put the we should have put the negative square root of 3 over x, so that way we'd get 2 more interceptions. But the concept is really easy. I mean, you can see here that the interception is the x and the y's are gonna be like 1.80 something and 1.20 something, and then you can just check over here for the next one. You can do zoom too, but that would take us some time, so you can try that. Here we got 0.74 and 1.93, and that's it. That's how you get the x and the y's, and you solve this system of nonlinear equations. So good luck to you, and I hope that you do well on your tests or whatever it is that you have.